I'll be doing Gobber the Belch. Although he's been called only Gobber in the film, he is the Vikings blacksmith at Burke. And he has been a great advice her to both Hiccup and his father Stoic. I have seen him with a dragon in the later films, but I never got the name of the dragon. Or found out how he got his dragon. Can you give me some advice on that? Gobber is a loyal Viking who lost both an arm and a leg on either side of his body. He looks like a pirate Viking. Piring? Viking? I don't really get it. He's the most loyal one, and he's good at it for a laugh, but he often knows a good tale about each and every dragon he's ever come across. Including, I think he actually mentioned which dragon took his arm and his leg. Despite losing 2 lambs, he's still very good in a fight. Often using his fist for the talking. But he's one of the smartest Vikings I've ever known. And he tends to give Hiccup the best advice when it comes to certain things. Although he tends to shy away when Stoic gets into one of his moods. Howard is one of the more adult Vikings I've loved in this entire series. And I wonder if he ever ended up with kids. I did not notice his unibrow until this scene, until this poster art I found of him. Totally hilarious. Also, I cannot name one scene where they ever called him Gobber the Belch. That is a belch. That's kind of weird. He has a name to begin with. Well, here's Gobber.